We don't rest until the job is done. And our commitment helps keep you mining no matter what obstacles stand in your way. Support from your dealer, backed by Caterpillar. With a diverse range of equipment, parts, and repair options, you can find choices to rely on. It's a value chain that extends from the front office to the miners in the field to the management at the top. We're here with timely solutions that deliver quality. And as with any job, there's always more to do. So we keep working to meet your needs for today and all the days ahead. Commitment to Cat Mining Parts and Service.